So today I'll be showing you how to turn PowerShot zoom on or off in FC24. So what you want to do is from the home screen, just flick left and select the settings wheel icon in the top left corner. Select settings and then flick right and select game settings. Now here, use the R1 and L1 buttons to scroll right or left, and you want to scroll until you get to camera. Under camera, use the downward arrow to scroll down, and you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom where you'll see PowerShot zoom. It's currently enabled. You can use the direction buttons on your controller to turn that off. And again, if it's off and you want it on, use the direction button to turn it on. Once you select what you want, just hit the back button all the way back to the home screen, and it's literally as simple as that. Thanks for watching and good luck.